In today's video, I'll show you how to measure your body composition with the help of your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get started. So, as a first step, swipe up to open apps on your watch and then click on the Samsung Health app. After this, scroll down until you'll find a tab which is named Body Composition. Here is it. Click on it and after click Measure. As a next step, we would need to select our gender, our height and also our weight. Then click Done. And also you can read this warning which says that this measuring is only for fitness and wellness purposes only. Then we click on how to measure. And here you'll get instructions how to do the measurement right. For example, you would need to move your watch higher on your wrist, place middle and ring fingers on buttons. After, touch your watch only and don't let hands touch. And raise your arms away from your body. So I'll do the measurement and show you my results. So you can see the results on your watch right after the measuring. You can find here information as weight, skeletal muscle, fat mass, body water, body fat, BMI and BMR, which is the normal calories consuming per day. And also you can see all of these information on your phone in the application Samsung Health. Here you can also see the scales which is showing under normal, normal and over normal on these scales. Here's it how it looks. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.